Makers, meet MillMage, the new all-in-one software for CNC routers from the minds behind LightBurn. MillMage offers a unified solution that seamlessly integrates design, CAM, and control, streamlining every step while preserving full capability and customization. Unlike existing options, our approach is different. It's a smarter, more efficient way to work with your CNC router. It all starts with the same design and editing suite you know from LightBurn, where we provide tools to create new designs from scratch, edit imported files to get them machine ready, and lay out graphics for maximum efficiency. We've also got a couple tools you'll be familiar with from LightBurn, enhanced and reworked specifically for use with CNC routers, including automatic tab generation and dogbone and T-bone corner support for the radius tool. When your design is ready, it's time to plan your job. MillMage provides an intuitive CAM interface for setting up essential operations like pockets and profiles, alongside intelligent toolpathing options like dogbone slots and rest pockets, both of which compensate for tool geometry during MillMage's toolpath creation process. We're most excited about our implementation of automatic trochoidal slotting. The reduced radial engagement of trochoidal paths results in less stress on your tool and machine, enabling users with lower stiffness or power CNC routers to machine materials they might not otherwise be able to, and those with stiffer, more powerful machines to process them much more efficiently. These intelligent toolpaths require no extra work to model complex geometry directly into your design, and update automatically if you make tooling changes. Through our custom G-code tool, we provide the ability to create and modify output for any machine that uses standard G-code. We provide several predefined G-code flavors, and each template is fully customizable to suit your machine's unique needs. All customization is done in standard G-code, eliminating the need to write code in a post-processor. Rounding out the all-in-one MillMage workflow is our support for direct control of machines running standard Gerbil firmware, or similar variants. With our control capability, you can jog your machine, zero your workpiece, and send your job straight to your machine, all through MillMage. Direct control opens up the ability to segment out jobs, or rerun just one operation that didn't quite do what you needed, simply by toggling output switches on or off in the operations window. Best of all, if you need to iterate on a design or adjust your operations, you won't have to jump between multiple software packages. Just make your tweaks and send. No need to reprocess your operations and transfer them over to different sending software. For machines MillMage doesn't directly control, we've built a powerful but intuitive operations exporter, built on tokens that sort groups of operations into separate G-code files, based on attributes such as tool, sequence, and operation. We've also provided built-in presets based on common export groupings, and users can create and save their own presets. And all of that is just scratching the surface. MillMage is free to try for 30 days, no restrictions and no watermarks. Download today and revolutionize your CNC routing workflow.